Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to unbox for you one fragrance, which is basically Royal Blends by Lattafa. And if the weather will allow us, because it's going to rain right now, we will unbox this fragrance. So I would like to tell you that my scent of the day today was Ardal Zafran, this Emarat Kusi, perfume I will show you right now. And I'm very happy about this fragrance, to be honest. So I show you what I am talking about. So basically, I will show you right now. So it was Shams Al Emarat Kusi. It was my scent of the day, guys. And this perfume, really surprised me because I really liked it. It's beautiful. This is maybe first Ard Al Zafran fragrance that kind of, really kind of I could say that I like. So now we will unbox basically this perfume. It's Lattafa Royal Blend, and I did this huge haul, massive haul. It's basically I bought 16 fragrances, from Middle Eastern, Lattafa and Ard Al Zafran as well. So this one was one of them. So we will unbox it right now. Royal Blends. I heard that some people say it's brilliant. Some people say that you're gonna smell like as a queen, as a boss if you wear this perfume. It's Lattafa Royal Blends, but some people say it can smell slightly acidic. So I don't know which way it's going to go. So we can unbox it right now and we can discover together. Like this video, guys, if you are interested about these type of brands. And as it's continuing raining right now, I don't know what we can do, to be honest. We can just open right now, and perhaps I'm just going to kind of show you super duper quick because it starts to rain really a lot. So it's basically Royal Blends, Royal Blends by Lattafa, and I will spray it right now, and I will tell you what do I think. So let's see. Very interesting, I would say, guys. Very, very interesting. And let me have a look slightly more. Sorry, it's really start to rain and it's really bad, but very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. I think I understand why people say that it can seem as if a bit too sharp, this perfume, because there is some sharpness in it. There is this coconutty sweetness as well. There is this acidity, as I heard as well. You can either smell like a boss or... I like it, guys, I like it, really, I quite like it, this perfume. As you can see, the bottle is just brilliant. I have never had this type of shape before, of the perfume. It's really amazing. And so for that reason, you might smell as a boss. I haven't, checked the notes or anything. Let's just, guys, keep on smelling. So floral notes, floral plus coconutty notes. There is a little bit of acidity, a little bit of sharpness there, as in all Middle Eastern perfumes. But to be honest, as I said to you guys before, that I liked, for the first time, Ard Al Zafran fragrance, this one, Shams Al Emarat Kusi. So this one also is leaning towards definitely feminine, because it has those floral type of sweet notes. That is very, very nice, I think I might spray it on myself it's not like Baccarat Rouge dupe, which I really like. It's Anna Biat Rouge, Baccarat Rouge, that dupe, but it's something else, and it's always nice to try something else, guys. It's again, let's say, this perfume Lady Million, which I don't like, but that Lady Million topped up with some nice spices, nice spices, like unseen type of spices, and plus mixed with some nice floral notes, so it becomes like a beautiful perfume, much more interesting than Lady Million. I don't like Lady Million. There's nothing special in Lady Million, But this one is better because it has coconutty note, and it's definitely leaning towards feminine side. So you're not gonna smell like a man, because it can happen with these Middle Eastern fragrances. Like my scent of the day yesterday was that Al-Dur Al-Maknoon by Lattafa. So that one is kind of similar to Crida Ventus, and it does smell a little bit masculine. But I would say Zara Vibrant Leather is much better than that Al-Dur Al-Maknoon, So this one I would definitely much more prefer, As I can repeat for you guys, my favorite Lattafa perfumes are Ragba, Ana Abiyat Rouge, then Oud Mood as well. I will definitely would include that one as well, and I will be opening much more in the future. I will also do to show you all of those Lattafa perfumes that I got. Very nice, guys. Something interesting, a little bit more interesting, I would say very often people, very often, guys, people can either like Middle Eastern perfumes or might not like. More normal people, which are used to those designer perfumes, for them, this type of perfumes might seem a bit too much, so it's clearly understandable. But those people who wants, adventure or likes to experience something different, then they will really enjoy it. And this one is different, I still think Anna Biath Rouge is better than this one, or Ragba is better than that one. Ragba is better than that one. To me, for some kind of reason, this and this, they are not similar, but they kind of stands in the same position because they are floral and sweet. This one is more coconutty. There is this coconut type of a little bit smell, that you can feel, So, guys, I don't know, I hope that this description kind of helped you out there. Do you guys have this perfume? Do you get compliments? I will be wearing it in the future, and I will try to get compliments. If I will not compliments, at least I will try to enjoy it, So, because these perfumes are not very common to have, it's only if you order online or something like that, or unless if you live in Middle Eastern countries, then maybe it's more common. But in my area, it's not common to have these perfumes, guys. So I would say I will wish you guys to have a beautiful day. My next perfume that I will open next time perhaps will be Velvet Oud, because to me that one sounds very, very mysterious and something that I might like as well. Let me know what's your favorite perfume from Lattafa brands, or perhaps Ardal Zafran. I got this Vardi, from Ardal Zafran as well. I will have to open that one. And I got this as well, another one. So guys, I wish you to have a beautiful, beautiful day. I will come back to you soon, and bye bye, guys.